Driving 1 hour north of Cape Town in South Africa, you'll find the West Coast Biosphere Reserve, a biodiversity hotspot home to globally unique but endangered species. A local centre for education and tourism bridges, biodiversity conservation, cultural heritage preservation and business opportunities. The Kwha Museum, Eco-Tourism Lodge and Heritage Centre is surrounded by an astonishing nature rich in plants and animals. The centre educates visitors about the San, an indigenous group that represents one of the world's oldest continuous cultures and one of the last hunter-gatherer societies on Earth. It also creates job opportunities in tourism, particularly for young people. With support from Germany's IKI Small Grants, the Kwha Centre was able to restore and preserve its surrounding natural landscape. To address habitat loss, the project created the conditions for the centre's 850 hectares farm to become legally proclaimed as a conservation area. The initiative allows endemic and indigenous vegetation to recover naturally. Active measures to restore the local ecosystem, called FINBOS, included the removal of invasive species and the establishment of tree nurseries. The project made use of the indigenous San's knowledge about plants and their use, with young San being trained as biodiversity ambassadors. The centre, locally called the Embassy of the San, also serves as a community centre where especially young San people come together. More than half of the staff on the reserve are women. Also, the organisation strengthened its approach to become a self-sustaining social enterprise, protecting biodiversity and cultural heritage, and offering jobs to local community members through tourism and education. It uses the plants and vegetables growing around them to produce goods, and for the local restaurant on the centre's grounds. Tourists can book various accommodation options and guided tours. In a gift shop, handcrafted products are sold. This creates job opportunities, while the centre also provides training and supports small San-led businesses. The Museum and Heritage Centre educates about the culture of the San people who live in countries across southern Africa. Its exhibition attracts thousands of visitors each year. Through internships, trainings and other educational offers, young San learn not only about their heritage, but also for their future careers. With the German support and the impact already achieved, the Kwha Centre strives to show that cultural heritage preservation, biodiversity conservation and income generation can go hand in hand.